Kyle, the little white dude.
Ice cream pop.
Now this is what was it? Say hi to the camera.
Say hi.
That's the missing character.
But
Bye, Vanilla.
ice cream. 3, 2, 1. Shoot your balls and say hooray! It's more easier to load now. Bro, what's up? Oh, crap. You're going down. Hi! Dang! I knew it was coming. Looks like I got down in the first round. Looks like I'm down in the first round. I'm so noob. Should have watched my back. Oh, fuck. Okay. It's a tiebreaker, and a nut break. But I lost, so it's just a tie. Oh yeah, and we're gonna do a challenge today. So do you still have whipped cream?
Fuck no. We're not gonna do that.
Okay, no challenges for no fun. Ah, okay. I'm just gonna pause the video and 3, 2, 1. I'm watching you too. Yeah. Oh my god. Wait, you're still alive?
Oh god.
No! I got hit.
Dad, I saw it hit you.
Okay.
Dad, I saw it.
Okay, so Enzo won this round. GG. Hashtag spam cringe. Spam cringe in the comments. Little. I'm just copying some frick. I'm not yet dead. Okay, I'm gonna cut ahead. Okay. Game is live. And I know where you are going today. Yeah! Now he's a spectator. And where are you? Oh, I see you there, boy. See him creeping out the window? My window. Dude! You're selfish, nigga. I knew you would go there! You're 11. Oh my god. It's a tie! Oh, dang it. So, Enzo won again. Hashtag Enzo 1 second. Now somebody saw my second bullet.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Oh my god. We're gonna take a break and I'm gonna pause the video. This has been an open match. Okay guys, I'm gonna surprise them. So yeah. You see? No. Just holding it. Dang it, guys.
Real YouTubers na. Miss mo na ba yung sa loob ng house ni Kay?
Actually,
that house.
that house, good memories in that house. We had swimming pool, except now it's full with trash.
And the swimming pool is colored blue.
Blue, that's
Dude, it's like a mountain
And
view.
so why are we bringing a gun?
Because we have to.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna wait outside.
Bye, bro.
Dude, I'm gonna wait outside.
Come on, I'm bringing my gun.
Why? I'm bringing.
But I'm bringing my camera.
That you bring this.
What
So,
the
all of us are
frick?
equal. So all of us are equal. So all three of us are going.
Oh my god. I am. So don't waste the time. I can't believe you made us did this. Good afternoon. Hey, we're just still.
So we can buy two things.
Yeah. I know. I was like, why are you?
Something I know, right? You don't know anything. I swear, if you do that, I'm gonna hurt you. Yeah.
So we're gonna buy.
Are you seriously just gonna buy that? You know we can buy more, right? You can finish this. I will.
I'm going for red.
Red. Red for me. Okay, let's pay for this first.
Are you red?
Let's pay for
No,
this first.
yellow.
Let's pay for this first.
Meh.
Oh, you record.
Oh, probably. I'm recording. We should pause the video because it's dude, it's 7 minutes.
Okay,
So if we so
area, hindi na
pause. Yeah, I'm just gonna pause the video.